Solving equation x square minus 10x minus 3 equals to 0. So these kinds of equation we cannot solve by middle term method. So there are lots of way we can solve this, but I prefer ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It means quadratic general formula, of which is x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Here b means, look, a is a coefficient of x square, so here is x square, a equals to 1. B means minus 10 and c equals to minus 3, right? Now we can write here is a b square minus 4ac minus 10 square, and then minus 4 times a means 1 and c means minus 3. So here is 100, and then minus and minus it will be plus 4 times 3 is the 12. So 112. 112, what does mean? It means b square minus 4ac, it's a discriminant, right? So 4ac, b square minus 4ac, it means the discriminant is greater than 0. So this case we will get two distinct real roots. We will get two distinct real roots, right? So now we will put the value in here. Minus b, it means minus and minus 10 plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. 4ac we already get the value, which is 112. So root over 112, and here is a 2 times 1. So minus and minus it will be plus, so 10 plus minus root over 112, we can write against this one. Here is a 10.58. 10.58 divide 2. Okay. Now look, if positive x equals to 10 plus 10.58 divide 2, so the result will be like 10.29. If negative, that case x equals to 10 minus 10.58 divide 2. That means minus 0.58 by 2. And finally result will be minus 0.29. Well, so what will be the answer? X equals to either 0.29 or we can say 10.29. This is our answer. So number 1A has done. X square plus 6x plus 4 equals to 0. We are going to solve this equation. Normal middle term method, we cannot solve this one because the coefficient of x is 6 and this one is a 4. 4 means constant. So you cannot make this one to 6. 1 times 4, 2 times so it's not possible to make 6. This case we have to compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a equals to 1 because x square, the coefficient is 1. B equals to 6, which is coefficient of 6. And C is a constant, which is 4. We know, this case, we know the general formula x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So we just implement in here minus b. So minus b is a 6. So here is a 6 plus minus root over b square is a 6 square minus 4 times a means 1 and c is a 4. Right? And 2a 2 times 1. So we will get in here minus b plus minus root over 6 square is a 36 minus 4 times 1 4 times 4 is a 16 divide 2. So here is a minus 6 plus minus 36 minus 16, it's a what? 20 divide 2. Now here will be minus 6 plus minus root 20. So root 20 we can use calculator. We will get this one is a 4.47. 4.47 divide 2. Now here is a two part. If plus or positive x equals to minus 6 plus 4.47 divide 2. So here will be what? 6. We will get here is a 1.527. Once we divide by 2, the result will be minus 0.76. Minus 0.76. If negative, that case x equals to minus 6 minus 4.47 divide 2. So minus 4 and minus 4.47, it will be 10.47. So once we divide by 2, it means 10.47 divide by 2. The result will be 5.235, or we can say 5.24 minus 5.24. Okay, so we get two result, which is x equals to minus 0.76 or minus 5.24. This is very important. So number 1a and 1b has done. X square plus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. If we want to simplify or solving this equation, we cannot use middle term factor. So the best way to solve these kinds of math by quadratic equation general formula, which is first we have to compare with what? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a equals to 1 because 1 is a coefficient of x square, and then b equals to 3 and c is a constant which is minus 5. We know x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. So what will be the happening in here? Minus and b means 3 plus minus root over b square, it means 3 square minus 4 times a means 1, c means minus 5, right? And then divide 2 times a means what? 1. We are trying to solve this one step by step. So here is a minus 3 plus minus, and then root over 3 square is a 9, and minus and minus it will be plus. 4 times 5 is a 20 divide 2. Okay, so here is a minus 3 plus minus 9 plus 20 is a 29 divide 2 equal, so root 21, root 29, not 129, will be 5.385. We can write this one 5.39. So minus 3 plus minus 5.39 divide 2. Okay, here is the two things, plus and minus. So this case we have to make if positive x equals to, here is a minus 3 then plus 5.39 divide 2. So this case minus 3, so we can use calculator. Minus 3 here will be what, 2.39, right? 2.39 divide 2, so it's a 1.19, 1.19. And this same scenario, if negative, then x equals to minus 3 minus 5.39 divide 2. So this will be 8.39 divide 2, and we will get what? So we can use calculator. It means minus 3 minus 5.39 equals to what? 8.39 on, now we are going to divide. So result will be 4.19. 4.19, or if you want you can write 4.20, and it should be minus. So here is a two value, x equals to minus 4.20 or minus, not minus, actually this one is a plus 1.19, 1.19. So number 1, A, B, C, step by step we are trying to solve D, E, F also. So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.